Hey guys, so we've already talked about complementary angles in class, but what I want to do is go over something that's just a quick and easy type of problem. When you have your right triangle and you label, let's just call this x. Here is my opposite and my adjacent and my hypotenuse. Now if I go ahead and I label the other acute angle, let's do a different color, so we'll label it purple and call that y. The opposite and the adjacent side switch places, but the hypotenuse stays the same. So anytime it's asking you to find complementary angles, what you're looking for is you're saying those ratios for sine of x is going to be the same as the ratio for the cosine of y. And similarly, the ratio of cosine of or sine of y is the same as cosine of x. Sine of y, cosine of x. But really all this is looking for is what angle makes these two equivalent statements true. So when you have the sine of 60, cofunctions are formed when your angles are complementary. That means that they add to 90 degrees. So in order for this to be true, all I have to do is subtract 90 minus 60, and my x value is equal to that. So x is equal to 30. And what that creates is these two angles that are complementary, and therefore those ratios are going to be the same. Similarly, cosine of 20 is equal to sine of what? Well, we know that the angles have to be complementary, so we subtract 90 minus 20. 90 minus 20 is 70, so that just means x is 70. So for this kind of problem, all you're doing is looking for what angle makes these two angles complementary. When that happens, we have our cofunctions of sine and cosine.